little string. It's not gonna last very. Oh, it's also kind of broken already. Yeah, this is for makeup, I think, as pencil. True, true. I actually have a little too strong, like in a good way, or are you struggling, Buns? Do you need some reinforcements? Do we need to kick somebody's ass? And take their names for ourselves? Too abundant. Murder them, Buns. Kill them. A shit and a shower. Maybe. Okay, Angela was right. Man, you guys have the best ideas. Boom. Let's get a shot of this as well. Sounds fair, Buns. Dawn is an airplane. Dawn is an airplane. Dawn is an airplane. Dawn is an airplane. Have a good poop, Cronin. The song actually makes a pretty good point. Dawn is an airplane. Sometimes I forget that. Damn, it's my earring. Dawn's an airplane. Okay. You guys think we should start putting some sides up? Fuck it, right? Follow my hearteth. Okay. Oh, this was a splinter waiting to happen. Man, do we need to? Maybe we need to thickness them a little bit so they can fit more snugly behind the now thicker. Alright, I'm gonna make you guys wait another day before I start putting up the sides. I'm gonna put these through the thicknesser just a couple more times to get them a little bit thinner. We want to go for 16 millimeters, and I'll do the fronts and the backs as well. 17.5. Yeah, I will, but we can get like a little bit more out of them. No, that's the thing. This is actually not for Chloe. This whole thing is a dildo drawer for the biggest dildo in South Africa. Larry's dad. Impressive, right? Man, it's kind of freezing. Kind of cold as fuck. This song is so fun. Was stuffed what? Stuffed animals? It's a chicken. It's a turkey.